guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am so excited because I created this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and of course I had to bring out Black Barbie because she needed to make a little appearance. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will show you how I go from this to this. Just keep on watching. I like to prime my eyes with the NARS Radiant Creamy in Caramel. Taking a bigger flat brush and just kind of detailing the edges and around the brows too. So for the crease, I'm trying to find a perfect burgundy that's gonna be deep enough but not too dark. And I want this to be pretty blown out, so I'm gonna go almost all the way up to my brow bone. And then taking a clean blending brush to buff out the edges. Gonna take Bitten from Makeup Geek with the same brush. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of concealer to make sure that it's nice and tacky. This is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Just stamping it down so that I don't have a ton of fallout and so that it packs it down really nicely. Oh, this is the most perfect red. Red is a hard color though because it does, if you get carried away, it can get really crazy looking. I am taking it pretty far over just because of how bold it is, and I really like this color for the eye. I was originally just gonna do it on the inner half, but I'm gonna drag it all the way over. And I didn't even have to wet my brush or anything. I think because of the concealer, it just is sticking beautifully. Okay, so for my inner corners, I want to do something champagne-y pink, and I might actually grab a highlighter. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Illuminator. Okay, I like that, but I almost want more. So this is the Kilowatt Highlight, the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule one. And I'm gonna take Moscow Mule. Yeah, that's just a little bit more pink. So I'm gonna do a little bit of liner just to kind of make it nice and bold. Now I'm gonna take my new favorite mascara, which is the NARS Climax. I usually don't like a bunch of mascaras, and when I find one that I like, I stick with it forever, but this one is really good. One thing I didn't do is I didn't do like a bone color right in between my brow and the shadow. So this is the NARS concealer in Ginger, which is just a tad lighter, and since I don't want to cover my freckles, I'm just gonna go right underneath the eye. Now to set it, I'm gonna use this, the Fenty Beauty Universal Blotting Powder. Woohoo! Now to add some life back into my face, I'm going to bronze with some of my Havana ABH powder. And for blush, you guys are gonna die. Look, this is my new favorite blush. And don't be alarmed. No, don't be alarmed. This is the NARS Exhibit A blush. And I am obsessed. Yes, I know my eyes are red, but if you just take a little bit, it is perfect. Lower lash mascara. Now let's do highlight. I think I'm gonna do the initial highlighter that I put in the inner corner, the ABH, this one. All right, so for my lip, I think I'm gonna do Whirl by MAC. I'm using the Whirl lip liner as well. I want gloss. She has arrived, people. She has arrived. So this is the final look. Get some of this hair out of the way. Okay guys, I will see you next time. Bye.